What's up, guys? So since I put the coils in, it drove good for about, I'd say, I don't know, a week. And then all of a sudden I went with the test drive, went with my buddy, and all that happens when I go with my buddy. And I went to go show him what a pull feels like. And I went to go hit the gas and it started misfiring and breaking up once boost kicked in. So it wasn't like the misfire before where I'd idle funny or just rev funny in general. But now it's just when boost hits, it starts to break up. So it has new coils. I'm gonna go in and I bought some new plugs. So I don't know if the plugs were checked last time or replaced when the motor was swapped. I thought they were, but who knows? I'll take them out and take a look. I'm gonna check the gap. It could be spark blowout. Could be a possibility of things. I bought a boost leak tester as well so I could hook it up and check for any boost leaks. I mean, I don't know what else it could be really. I didn't touch anything, I don't think. So we'll go and check it out, but I'll show you what it's starting to do. Once it's boosted, it starts breaking up all funny, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm going to show you that it drives around not under boost just fine. So if I drive it like a normal car, revs just fine, idle's fine, launch takes off. Just fine. But once the boost kicks in, you want to see? See? Only got up to 9 pounds there. Let's try again. It just starts to break up a little bit and I don't get the full power I'm supposed to. So hopefully it's nothing crazy. Well, let's get to these plugs before it starts to rain. It's getting gloomy and it's supposed to rain in a little bit here. So let's get these plugs out. Try that. I got this new. This is always good to have if you have a turbo car. But got a boost leak tester kit. See if it's holding boost and I can see if there's any leaks anywhere. Alright, so I pulled the number 4 spark plug first and I checked the gap. I don't know if that's focusing there. Stock over here is supposed to be 0.03. I measured this one. This was more than 0.05. I mean, it's way off from what it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go check the rest of them too. It's way bigger. I mean, it's a huge gap on this one compared to what it's supposed to be at 0.03 inches. This is like 0.04 probably. All right. Hopefully that's it. All right. Passenger side's done. These actually all were way out of spec.
They'll run better.
Way out of spec.
This thing runs better with the new can.
2 down. Now we're on the driver's side here. Let's see what this one looks like. Let's see. These were a lot easier to get to than I expected to. With this battery now smaller, I just unbolt it and pull it out of the way. Let's see. That one looks big too. Let's measure it. Alright. And here comes number 4. All of them so far were at a gap of about 0.04. And it's supposed to be 0.03, 0.028 around. And they've all been way too big. The gaps, so hopefully that fixes it. I mean, there could still be other problems, but we're going to go for a test drive after I get all these plugs in here. Let's look at this last one. That one looks big too. Alright, so all new 4 spark plugs in, gap properly to 0.030. Last ones we took out were like 0.04, so way too much. So we're gonna start it up, go for a test drive, and we're gonna cross our fingers that that was it. I mean, it still could be a boost leak, it still could be an electrical issue, it could still be a lot of weird stuff, O2 sensor, but we're just gonna hope it's spark plugs because the gap was not proper in the first place. What do you think, Snowflake? Alright. Alright, let's go for a quick test drive. Idle's fine still. Started right up like it should. I mean, it was before with the big gaps. But I'm scared to even pull it into boost and still see the same thing happen, you know? It feels a little bit better. It definitely feels better. Let's see. I didn't get to really do a full pull there. I got the 14 psi back there, but let's see. It's pulling, but I still feel like there's a little miss or something. Better, but it's still breaking up the top. But it's better. So something did improve, so there is something going on with the spark inside there. Alright, we'll have to go back and loose leak this thing, see what else, but I'm going to see Mike on Wednesday anyway.